This is POCO F6, and today I will show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues on this device. So I recommend that you start by making sure that your time and date are set correctly, and the easiest way to do that is by simply enabling network provided time and date or automatic time and date, which will set your time, date, and time zone in accordance with not in accordance, but using the internet connection pretty much. And just go into your device's settings, then enter the additional settings category, go into date and time, and here switch on the set time automatically and set time zone automatically options. Then what you might also want to do is to enter the Wi-Fi category of settings and try to toggle the Wi-Fi feature off and then put it back on to see if it will get you anywhere. And if your Wi-Fi connectivity problem is related to a single particular Wi-Fi network rather than to a Wi-Fi feature as a whole, you might want to open the network details, forget in the network in question, and then reconnecting your device to the same Wi-Fi network to see if it will get you anywhere. And if neither of the aforementioned advices helped, the most radical but at the same time most effective way to fix all your network problems is to restore default network settings or reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth preferences. And the way you do that is, once again, you'll need to launch settings. Here enter the more connectivity options, then go into reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth, then reset settings, confirm, and here you have it. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.